when starting to learn how to clean windows, we're going to do some moves. So every corner, you can use this move on any corner in any direction. You gotta take this squeegee, and this edge of your rubber is just gonna ride in the corner. And then we're going to when we do this end, so we start here, and this end is gonna slowly go to the top. Into the corner, slowly go to the top. That way we're square into this corner. And then you're gonna come straight down. What I mean by square is I don't want you like this. It has to be like that. That's a square. That way your rubber is touching this rubber and it's staying on the glass and getting all the water down. If you're like this, it's away. If you look really closely, it'll be away from the glass. It'll be a channel of water. So you always want to be square coming in. So I'm gonna come across, I'll come down. That's the first move.